Smartly learn with fun. Today's topic is what else does gravity do? So first we see what is gravity. Gravity is a force which tries to pull two objects towards each other. Anything which has mass also has a gravitational pull. The strength of this pull depends on the masses of object at play. Gravity keeps the planets in orbit around the sun and the moon around the earth. Hence we define gravity as gravity is a force that attracts a body towards the center of the earth or any other physical body having mass. Next we see what else does gravity do? Why do you land on the ground when you jump up instead of floating off into space? Why do things fall down when you throw them or drop them? The answer is gravity, an invisible force that pulls objects towards each other. Earth's gravity is what keeps you on the ground and what makes things fall. Anything that has mass also has gravity. Objects with more mass have more gravity. Gravity also gets weaker with distance. So, the closer objects are to each other, the stronger their gravitational pull is. Earth's gravity comes from all its mass. All its mass makes a combined gravitational pull on all the mass in your body. That's what gives you weight. And if you were on a planet with less mass than Earth, you would weigh less than you do here. You exert the same gravitational force on Earth that it does on you. But because Earth is so much more massive than you, your force doesn't really have an effect on our planet. Next we see gravity in our universe. Gravity is what holds the planets in orbit around the sun and what keeps the moon in orbit around Earth. The gravitational pull of the moon pulls the seas towards it, causing the ocean tides. Gravity creates stars and planets by pulling together the material from which they are made. Gravity not only pulls on mass but also on light. Albert Einstein discovered this principle. If you shine a flashlight upward, the light will grow imperceptibly. Rather, as gravity pulls it, you can't see the change with your eyes, but scientists can measure it. Black holes pack so much mass into such a small volume that their gravity is strong enough to keep anything, even light, from escaping. Next we see gravity on Earth. Gravity is very important to us. We could not live on Earth without it. The sun's gravity keeps Earth in orbit around it, keeping us at a comfortable distance to enjoy the sun's light and warmth. It holds down our atmosphere and the air we need to breathe. However, gravity isn't the same everywhere on Earth. Gravity is slightly stronger over places with more mass underground than over places with less mass. NASA uses two spacecraft to measure these variations in Earth's gravity. These spacecraft are part of the Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment mission. After knowing what is gravity, let us have a look at a few examples of gravity. The gases in the sun are held together by gravity. Gravity causes the moon to revolve around the earth. Gravity is responsible for water resting at the bottom of a glass instead of hovering over at the top. The force of attraction between the earth and the moon causes tides in the ocean. This is the result of gravity. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.